Hello and welcome back to Tony the Tech Sloth. I'm your host Tony. Today we're diving into the essentials of the Windows 11 desktop with a series of short videos introducing you to the Start menu. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials. Part 2. I'm going to show you how to pin, unpin and create folders on the Start menu. So, let's organize our favorite applications on our Start menu. Let's take Microsoft Word as an example. Let's remove this permanently from the Start menu by right-clicking on it and bringing up the secondary menu. Now click on the Unpin from Start option. And that's it. Gone. Okay, so that's how to remove an application from the Start menu. Let's see how we add one. As we removed Microsoft Word, let's add it back as I actually use this a lot. First, we need to search for the application, so let's type Word in the search box. As you can see, the Word application has come up on the left under Best Match. Right-click on the application and let's take a look at our options. Pin to Start, that's the one we want. So let's click that. The Microsoft Word application has been added to the bottom of the pinned menu. To move it to a better location, left-click your mouse button and hold down. This will enable you to move it. Note when you move it, you'll see apps moving out of the way. You will also see a boxed arrow appear. This indicates we can take it to the next page. Let's move Excel as well. Let's organize things a little more and create some folders. As you can see, I have a few Microsoft Office tools. Let's bunch them together in a folder. Simply pick one of the application you would like grouped by left-clicking and holding the button down. Next, hover one on top of the other till it looks like they are in a box together. Let go of the button and you're done. Let's do another. Let's have a look at the folder we made. Here we can access the applications within the folder. Let's give our folder a name. I'm going with Microsoft. Let's create another for my music applications. There you have it. Pin, unpin, create a folder. I think I will leave you now to organize your Start menu. If you enjoyed the content and found it useful, please like and subscribe. I'm your host, Tony, and I look forward to seeing you again.